We'll make some Hamburglar Casserole today.
Wow.
I sliced some and peeled some potatoes. That's what the bottom layer is gonna be. All right, now that we've got that, we've browned about 2 pounds of beef that we're gonna put on as the second layer of the casserole.
Yeah.
Now don't feel like you have to drain the grease.
I see that grease coming out.
It's actually okay in this kind of casserole to keep it in there.
Okay.
If you want to drain some of it, that's, you know, your prerogative. But for me, it keeps a little bit of the flavor in there. For those of you who don't know, my friend Seth is filming today.
Hey guys, it's me.
Visiting. Kim's hanging out with Charles. I'm just over here with my boy Seth, doing my thing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna spread this out.
Miss you, Kim.
Miss you, Kim. We're gonna spread this out as the second layer of this casserole. As you can see, it's already getting pretty hefty here.
That is hefty.
All right, for the next part, you're gonna follow me right here. We have 1.5 cups of milk.
Okay.
We're gonna put into this mixing bowl.
Ooh, milk.
We have 2 cans of Campbell's cream and mushroom soup.
Okay.
We're gonna dump all of this together. That in.
Yeah.
Got the second can. They're gonna put in there. All right. Make sure to scrape all the goodies out.
Yep.
Just how Kim taught me.
Miss you, Kim. Once again. She's the best.
She is. All right, and we're gonna mix that, but before we do, we're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper just to taste.
Yeah, I was gonna say. You
Need
know
a
what
little-
Kim would say.
Need a little flavor.
Always need some pepper.
And then a little bit of salt here. I got the pink salt going on. It's supposed to be a little healthier.
Okay.
It's also easier to control, so I don't do too much.
Right.
All right, so I'm gonna mix all that together.
Very goopy.
Very goopy. So like I said, that was 2 cans, cream of mushroom, and 1.5 cups of milk. Okay. All right, we got that nice and mixed up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take this mixture, we're gonna pour it over the top of this beef and potatoes that we got.
Ooh.
Almost reminds me of like when mom used to make hamburger helper back in the day.
Oh, I miss me some hamburger helper.
Yeah, man, that's how you know you're a 90s kid.
That's right.
Just get that last little bit. Just slop them. Do they still make hamburger helper? What was your favorite one back in the day? I think mine was the cheeseburger.
Yeah, the cheeseburger.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna spread that over.
Okay.
Let that seep in.
Oh yeah, I see it going down there. In the cracks.
It's gonna help. That liquid right there is also gonna help the potatoes to cook. And for what's typically my favorite part of doing any casserole, we got Colby Jack cheese.
Wow, this is the most important.
We're gonna do we're gonna do half the bag, which is 2 cups
Okay.
of cheese that we're gonna put over the top.
I agree.
Cheese.
Man, that looks good.
All right, so that's looking pretty good. We're gonna take this over to the oven. We got it set at 350. We're gonna put it in there for about 45 to 50 minutes.
Okay.
45 to 50 minutes, y'all. Oh, this thing is hefty.
Wow.
All right, let's take a look. Ooh. Wow. I gotta be careful with this one. I'm pulling it out. Oh, look at that bubbly goodness. Woo! My goodness. This is quite the casserole. A Hamburglar casserole in all its beauty. Wow. Look at that. All right, we're gonna let this cool down and come back and try it. All right, we'll just give this a try. Look at that.
That looks good. Can't go wrong with cheese.
Cheese, potatoes, ground beef. That nice mixture in there. Oh, it's kind of slipping away from me. There we go.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I let it cool down a little bit, but it was really good. And it was the right amount of time for the potatoes to cook through as well. This one's a hit, y'all.